Guys, okay, we'll divide below. Do you want the fidget side first or the toy side first? Fidgets. The first one is just, I don't know what about actually, I want to do the dumpling because I usually always get popcorn by blue. So I have never got a dumpling there before. So, oh. Hold on. Wait on it. People, this is so great. I love this. I love this. Guys, I'm gonna show you all my fidgets on TikTok and on YouTube, and I'm gonna try to comment a fidget I don't have. Oh my god. Oh, these are way bigger than the other ones. These are kind of like needle babies. Baby needles, just really sticky. I was trying to show you. I'll eventually show a video testing these out. Pretty nice. There we go. Got it ready. Hey. Actually, really good. So nice. Okay, I might have sneak peeked on one of the fidgets over here. Kind of already open. I never had a hard. Sorry, never had a hard topic like. I've never had a hard pop. I've never had a hard poppet. So like, this is like. Let's get on to another fidget man. Yeah. Here's everything I opened. We're gonna put that right here so it's not in the way. All the trash goes in here. Oh, good. I don't worry about it. Yeah. Let's get this calculator. I'm back. That's really supposed to be cut it open, hopefully go through that way. I was playing with this in the car, like I don't want to unwrap it. Now you guys, so that's why I went for the hard shell poppet instead. So okay. Let's hear the clicks. Oh, not good. Not impressed. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. I was very not impressed with that. Let's try this one. Impressed. 2 out of 10. Actually, I'll get 5 out of 10 for color and stuff like that. It's popping to 1 out of 10. Color, 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Popping, 10 out of 10. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not feeling like that, man. Hit that at the phone. Okay. These are very fun. We have one more fidget. We'll just get some toy size. Well, I have these, so I'm just not gonna open those or do anything with those. So I get my own time to play with those. Pretty sure this glows because it was glowing. When it was dark in the car, it was glowing. Color 5 out of 10. No, actually, I'm not gonna give it. This color's like, I would give this color like a 6. Oopsie. Like a 5 out of 10. No, 6.5 out of 10 for like its color. This one, I'll give it like a 2 out of 10 for color. Clicking this 10 out of 10. That's it for all the fidget toys. Alright, I'm gonna bring my fidget toys over here. I got Dumpling, hard shell poppet, hard shell poppet, bear poppet, alien poppet, and calculator poppet. Let's get on to the toys. First, we'll go something that I don't think is really toy. I just got it. So this is like a ball. It's a stress breaker. So I don't know if it breaks or something. That's what I was confused for. So this needs to be cut up in balls. Then I got it out. Can't do that. It gets very face height. I don't think I'm appreciating how face it is. Hold on, let's well, that's gone. We'll worry about that. Mom was bad or something. I'll try to remember that. Scratch art. I already lost something in this video. This is very dangerous. Low-key scared. Regular. Okay, so we've got this scratch art, this scratch art, this scratch art, and of course I got my scratch pencil, which I'm gonna do the I don't even want to color in. I just see the colors. Okay, that's the end of kind of toys, but not really toys. That's the end of it. Already lost the ball. That's like a whoa, you know it. Toys. Hold on, let's see if this splats. It's not a splat. sorry. There's some chili sauce. They don't call me the trick shot master for nothing. Hold on. Guys, so I'm back. He's a little dirty. He needs a bath. Okay, done with the things. Now these guys. Ready? Okay, try to hit the camera. Hit the glass off. I said I thought of it. Oh, where'd it go? How good I hit you guys? I'm gonna do something. Oh. One went over, did not hit it. Sorry. Oh. Okay, let's try sitting or right here though. Oh. Ow. Oh. Got two hit my wallet side, but yes. Okay, let's try for all three to hit. Not one to hit or two to hit. Oh, okay. Yellow. This is a fail. Yellow. Did not hit. I mean, yellow hit, but. Not green on it. Okay, only one's been hitting for like the past 3 minutes. Let's look at this. Hey, we're getting a little closer. Oh. 2 hit at this side. Okay, we're getting closer. And I kind of want the more effect. So 2 hit. I was right here. I'm gonna back up since 2 hit. Try this. It's very dirty. Oh. I'm trying to hit this. Okay, guys. Since I've been trying to hit the phone, I'm gonna give you all one thing. It's Coke bottle. Try to hit it. Down. Yes! Okay, since I have another one, And over here, try to get hit it, but didn't hit it down. Because I kind of know what this is. I'm going to get this Hello Kitty box I have. And we're going to back up so you guys can see it more. Go. Oh. Not down. Hold on, maybe they're low drives. I'm going to go off real quick. We kind of threw 2 on the ceiling, so I'm down to 1. And I have this object, right? I'm gonna try to throw it. Yes. And what do I want as an object? No. Object. Okay. I'm gonna get 4. Well, I just want to make a little more challenge. We're gonna try to put it right here. Oh, right here. There we go. I didn't even make it close to it. Score. Okay, let's get back to the toys. First thing, I'm gonna open this up since I've had opened this up in another video before. Let's get this popping. I hope this is lucky. You know how when people do that, like, probably haven't seen it, but I want zombie. It's not zombie, but it's a purple one. We're just magically ready. What? She's her body. Hold on. Okay. I dodged one right next to zombie. I think I had to say. I wanted the zombie. Oh. Zombie too. I'm going to hit it, not throw it at you. Come here, baby. I'll show you. I might have a fade on my hands now. Come here. I'll show you. Rock the movie. Want to say hi? Say hi. I'm Sophia. I like you. You like. Hold on. You're kind of Hello Kitty. Oh, sorry, Dave. Calm down. Hello Kitty. Calm down. I don't freaking you out. Okay, but this is the Hello Kitty I got. Woody. You know you want to. It's okay. It's okay. Let me just throw it at you. It's a little aggressive. See you. Give her some hugs. Pretty sure I opened up a Hatchimal before, so this next is the Hatchimal. One fell down. Gonna warm up the heart. Okay guys, I'm not holding this for like, I feel like 7 hours now. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna try to push it. You're gonna try to Hulk smash it. So Hulk smash. Hulk smash. You know you probably don't want to wake up this, but I'm too impatient. Come on. Come on. Come on. I broke it open. It's open. It was broken up pretty bad, but I could. Oh, I forgot this was the baby edition. No. Okay, just because I'll see what it sounds like. So satisfying. There's still one part. Let me have crushed fully. And fishes, it's a city area. So I'm sorry for all your ruckusness. I'm sorry. Here, put it there. You fell out. Starlight. Oh, cool. Sorry, birds. Quality. Color. Oh, sticky. Oh, sticky. Come on, right go. Okay, no. Okay, never had this cat versus pickle. I guess you get. I guess I'd pick the cats. I guess. I hope I get the pickle though. Not gonna lie. Hey. And out of the cat I want. Okay, so hope for one of those. We got a cat. It's not one of the ones I wanted. His name is Mr. Angley. Let me fold it up. So you don't see the one side because I know you're probably gonna be salty too. I wouldn't say you're salty, but you're probably just salty. I'm salty, so I'm trying to fold up to where I don't see the ones I wanted. This is very weird. Okay. This is the one I got. I didn't want you. I wanted a pickle. I didn't even want you. I didn't even want this time again. I don't know what I'm doing. What's the points in this? I don't even get what I want. Oh. Okay. This was actually a super cool one. I was not expecting to get this one. This is on one of the bots. Don't play piggy today. So, well, I'm not ready now. I'm gonna record. I don't know. Yes. So we're down to the last prize. Hold on, ready? What is this? Hold on, ready? Gotta do that better. Oh, okay. The instructions over here. It's a bubble gum simulator. It looks like it's already kind of open. We'll do that. I'm gonna take kind of. Okay, I kind of want like my character. My character is. Oh. Ooh. So it's not characters. It's like one of the pets from it. I'm gonna be in. Got two exclusive things, which I might scratch off and do a giveaway on this. Okay, looks like we're done. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that sub. You don't have to, but I really want you to hit the sub because a lot of new friends. Turn on that like post or whatever it is.